Hey everybody, today we're writing equations from word problems and situations. This is a writing equations hint card. The first question you ask yourself is, where is my problem taking place? Are we traveling? Is something happening? Is there a purchase of some kind? The second question that we ask ourselves is the variable and the constant. What is the rate of change? Some rates include miles per gallon, cost per ticket, cost per hour, etc. The third question we ask ourselves is, what is the constant in the equation? Is there a service fee? Is there an additional cost only paid one time? And the fourth question is, what does the total represent? Please make sure you write this down. So let's try some examples. Please make sure you write these down so you can follow back on them later. For example 1, a number increased by 9 is 15. The first thing we do is identify our variable. Our variable is a number, so we will let n be our variable for a number. Increased. The word increased means to add by 9 is where our total belongs, is 15. How do we solve this? We work backwards. N equals 6. So then we plug that back into the original question. A number, 6, increased by 9 is 15. 6 plus 9 is 15. Let's move on to example 2. 4 less than a number is 20. So the first thing we do is identify our variable. Our variable, again, is n to represent a number. We want 4 less than that, which means to subtract. So n minus 4 is 20. How do we solve? We work backwards. You add 4 to both sides and you should get n equals 24. And we go back to the original question, 4 less than a number. So 4 less than 24 is 20, which is true. Example 3, each piece of candy costs 25 cents. The cost of all the candy is $2. The word each tells us that we need to multiply by 25 cents. So identifying our variable is candy. So we will let C represent our variable. And the word each, again, means to multiply. So C times 25 cents. Make sure that we noted cents here, which is a decimal. There's a difference between 25 cents and $25. Each piece of candy costs 25 cents. The cost of all the candy is $2. So all of this equals $2. Again, the word each means to multiply. So to work backwards, we would divide both sides by 25 cents. C equals 8 pieces. In example 4, it says 32 is twice a number increased by 8. Again, the first step is to identify the variable, which is a number, n, increased by 8. Twice that number is 32. Now we have a two-step equation, so we need to work backwards. This is where we do PEMDAS, but in reverse order, so we start with addition or subtraction. We subtract both sides by 8. 32 minus 8 is 24, equals 2n. We've done addition or subtraction, so we move on to multiplication or division. This is 2 times a number. You undo multiplication by dividing. 24 divided by 2, n equals 12. If we plug that back into the original problem, 32 is twice of 12. Twice of 12 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 32. In example 5, 16 less than 4 times a number is 12. We start by identifying the variable, which is n for a number. 16 less than 4 times a number. So 4 times a number, but 16 less than that. So minus 16 means equals 12. Again, this is a two-step equation, so we use PEMDAS backwards. So we start with addition or subtraction. Here we have minus 16. So undo subtraction, we add 16 to both sides. We're left with 4n equals 28. We've done our addition or subtraction. Now we move on to multiplication or division. 4 times a number is multiplication. We undo by dividing. N equals 7. And we have our answer.